And this kind of energy always reminds me of this quote from Thomas Strollite. And he said that Bitcoin was not created so that some people could get rich quick. It was created to preserve the integrity of money. And so really what happened in 2008 after the financial crisis, this was like the beginning of the lack of integrity in our financial system, the lack of integrity in our money. And sort of it already lost integrity when Nixon took the dollar off the gold standard. But from 2008, it's really been an acceleration of the erosion of the integrity of our money.